Alrighty, my glue. When it sits like this,
the glue all settles to the bottom of the bottle.
You have to squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. So it'd be nice if the glue would sit like this. So I'm going to take this old thing, which is one of these, and it's like an iron. You fill it up with water and heat that up. And anyway, I thought it'd be cool to make some kind of stand like this for it to sit in. And this one's kind of broken and ugly, so I'm going to use it in case it doesn't work. So right there, a top goes on it, and so right there is a hole for a screw, and it's missing. So I'm just going to drill that bigger so we can fit a rod in there. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to clamp it on there somehow. Let's see if that'll work.
I needed a third hand to help me move the iron so it would align with the drill bit, but I finally got it. Sorry about the blurriness.
All right, yay, got it finally. Let's do it.
I was surprised how easily it drilled. I was expecting it to be way more difficult. I did need to use both arms though, but it still was easier than expected, and really loud. Blowing on it did nothing.
Ah, rats. Okay, I have to dump it out. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Woo! Let's go a little bit further. I gotta put this back in.
Now I had to line it up again with the drill bit. It was a little bit easier because some of the hole was already there, so I could just put the drill right into where that little bit of hole started.
There. Okay.
I'll speed it up 4 times for you.
I hope that is going to work. Yay! Look at that! Woo! Let's try it. All right, so this is the rod. This is right there. And then I'm going to mount this horseshoe right here. And then it'll be my glue holder. That's going to work. Yay! Now to get some welding done. Alrighty, I am going to try to weld this now. Ah! So I want this to go like that. So I took a grinder to this to grind off the rust, which made it look really pretty. So maybe I'll grind out the rest later. Maybe, maybe not. And then I sanded that, and I sanded that, and so I thought I would weld this together first, and then weld that together. So I have this pretty cool little thingy, which I'm going to turn like that, and make sure it's in the center. I should do it this way, I guess. This way, I guess.
I tried to line it up so the rod was in the middle of the horseshoe.
That looks pretty good, I think. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ah, kind of scary. I gotta grab it to the table, and just gotta flip her on. Yeah. Okay. Make sure I put my hood down. Don't watch, Marty. Don't watch, Water. Oh yeah, I can see it. Okay. Oops. Kind of messy, but I think it'll work.
So I added a little more there, then on the other side, and some on the bottom.
Now, weld this onto there. Ooh.
I had some trouble, and husband said since the piece was so rusty, I needed to put the ground directly on the piece instead of on the table. And that fixed it, and the welder worked again. So I welded all around where the rod and the iron met.
Yeah! Kind of bubbly and stuff, but yay, it's welded!
but it didn't hold.
Right, so it didn't work. So husband said it needs to be brazed, and I didn't know what that was, so he's gonna show me how to do it.
So set your flame. See when it's like that? You want to bring it right back.
Oh yeah, okay.
So it's right there like
tiny.
that.
Okay,
Okay?
that middle part.
Yes. So what we'll do,
Are you just heating it up? or-
yep, right now I am.
I guess it doesn't really matter.
Well, get it so it's right.
Okay, I think that's good. So you're just heating it
Yep.
right now? And you're heating it at the tip of that?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is a brazing rod?
With flux on it.
Flux. You're just putting it in there. Ooh, neato. Oh, wow, okay, I see it now. Oh, neat. So it's kind of like soldering.
It is. Let's see, it's hot.
Thing on it. There it goes. So this is more like gluing then?
Yeah, absolutely.
So it's just heating it up and then letting it.
Low.
So this isn't as good as welding.
For this kind of an application, it will work.
I like this.
It'd be better if this wasn't cast.
Well, if it wasn't cast, then I could weld it.
Well, that's true, but this doesn't flow as easy on cast. Cast doesn't heat up as easy.
It needs to be really hot.
Yeah. Will that work for you?
Is it in a hole?
I'm pretty sure it will.
That works. As long as it holds, it works. Yeah, look at that. It stays. Woohoo! Gotta clean it off a little bit. But you know, this is just my dirty, grubby glue holder. So it doesn't really matter if it's real clean, but oh, I love how that brazing looks so nice and coppery looking, brassy looking. So cool. And it holds. Woo! Yeah. Neat. I love it. I love it. So now I can put my glue in there. Look at that. Yay. So cool. And now I can carry it around with me wherever I need to go and just plop my glue in there. And then I don't have to go like this to get the glue down. So when the weld didn't hold, I thought, oh no. And then when Hub said, well, you need to braze it. I'm like, what's that? So yay! So cool. So that was fun. And I learned about brazing and then did a little bit of welding. And yeah, cool. I'd like to do more brazing and it'd be fun to just, I don't know, try some stuff that I could braze, like horseshoey stuff. Yeah, neat. Yay, it works. So thanks for joining me, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye.